how to download Roblox on your Lenovo laptop. So this is nice and easy. All you need to do is go into your browser and type in Roblox. Click this first link here, that's the official website. And now you need to log in or sign up. Once you've either logged in or signed up, you'll be greeted with this screen here. Now what you need to do is click on any game you like, and you need to just press this play button here. Here it says download Roblox, so press that. So now up in your download section here, you can click on the file, and you can drag this onto your desktop. Now open this up. So now you'll need to sign into your Roblox account again. Once you've signed in, all you need to do is press agree, and now you're free to play any sort of game that you like. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.